rolled oats, chia seeds, dark brown sugar, and a smidge of cinnamon and nutmeg, prepped overnight with wholesome oat milk. Sorry, what was that? You're looking for a healthy start to the day? These easy overnight oats are a healthy start to every day. Prepare to be amazed, ready in 5 plus a little bit of overnight time in the fridge, but then adding your favorite toppings, watch this. Into a large measure, half a cup of rolled oats plus half a cup of oat or nut milk, 1 teaspoon dark brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, add a pinch of cinnamon and some freshly grated nutmeg. Stir everything together, then transfer into a bowl, canning jar, or storage container. Place the overnight oats into the fridge overnight. Of course, I want you to make this recipe your own, so feel free to swap out with your favorite dairy-free milk. You can do what we did, use oat milk, but try the recipe with almond milk, soy milk, cashew milk, lots of options to make this recipe your own. Next day though, watch this. Take the cover off the container. The oats and chia seeds have soaked up all that liquid. Now we get to add toppings. I like to add sliced bananas, diced mango, raspberry. How about some nuts and seeds? Then add in some dried fruit, maybe a sprinkle of raisins. Doesn't that look delish? But wait, now all you need to do, stir everything together. Yep, this easy recipe is all about you. We invite you to make it your own. The full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. Yes, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally, take a photo of this beautiful dish when you make it, then post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Easy. Overnight oats. Perfect for breakfast, post-workout, afternoon snack. Sure is amazing. Enjoy. Delish.